Launch, launch, launch.
Military drone warfare technology is advancing rapidly, making it an indispensable part of modern battlefields like Ukraine.
In the Eglin Test and Training Complex. The flight was the culmination of the previous 2 years of partnership that began with the Skyborg Vanguard program.
The Pentagon announced that the Navy had finalized a deal to buy the pair of XQ-58 in a daily contracting notice on December 30, 2022. The contract, which came through Naval Air Systems Command's Naval Air Warfare Aircraft Division and is valued at more $15 million, covers the production and delivery of the drones, as well as unspecified sensor and weapon system payloads.
Unmanned vehicles are increasingly assuming missions that were previously the exclusive domain of piloted aircraft. Nevertheless, some of the Air Force's commonly used unmanned aircraft, such as the MQ-9 Reaper and the RQ-4 Global Hawk, are technologically advanced and costly, primarily suitable for operations in less contested airspace. Furthermore, they require regular inspections and maintenance to ensure mission readiness. This is where XQ-58A flies in. The Valkyries were developed by the Air Force Research Laboratory to be high-speed, low-cost aircraft developed for the AFRL's low-cost Attritable Aircraft Technology, or LCAAT, project. This unmanned aircraft showcases remarkable performance. Valkyrie has an empty weight of 2,500 pounds and can achieve a maximum takeoff weight of 6,000 pounds, providing significant payload capability. It possesses a capacity of 600 pounds for both internal and external loads, offering versatility for a range of mission requirements. The internal weapons bay has the capacity to store and deploy a minimum of 2 GBU-39 small-diameter bombs, while the combat UAV can also transport lethal armaments on its external wing stations. Measuring 30 feet in length and boasting a wingspan of 27 feet, it strikes a balance between compactness and functionality.
The United States Air Force begins applying artificial intelligence to tactical flight with the XQ-58A Valkyrie unmanned combat aircraft. This fighter is designed to accompany the pilot in battle and assist in developing attack strategies. The XQ-58A Valkyrie is an unmanned tactical combat aircraft in collaboration with Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, Inc. and the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL. The plane weighs 6,000 pounds, can fly at 550 miles per hour, and can fly up to 45,000 feet. This aircraft design is designed to master stealth mode movement, carry missiles, and hit targets far beyond its visual range. But of course, the most prominent element of the Valkyrie is how this plane is run by artificial intelligence. Valkyrie's main mission is to combine artificial intelligence capabilities with aircraft sensors in identifying enemy threats, which then, after obtaining approval under human control, can then launch an attack. Trials of the Valkyrie were recently conducted at Eglin Air Force Base, Florida. Later, at the end of the year, there will be another trial in the Gulf of Mexico. This pilot will see how the Valkyries develop their own strategies for pursuing and attacking targets. At Eglin, citing the New York Times, one of the trials was run by Major Ross Elder. The trials were carried out by flying the F-15 with Valkyrie as a companion or wingman. Major Elder said it was a strange feeling, that he was flying with something that could trigger his own decisions, but not a human brain.
The uncrewed aircraft will be used to accomplish the penetrating, affordable, autonomous, collaborative killer portfolio objectives, according to the notice. This will include non-recurring engineering services, system or subsystem integration, installation, testing, ground and flight operations, logistics, and maintenance for the UAS, as well as government-owned, contractor-operated operations for flight test and demonstration events at government test ranges, it continues. This work is supposed to be completed within the current fiscal year, which ends on September 30. About the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie. The Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie is an experimental stealthy unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, Designed and built by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions for the United States Air Force, low-cost Attritable Strike Demonstrator Program. Under the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory's low-cost Attritable Aircraft Technology Project portfolio. It was initially designated the XQ-58A. The Valkyrie successfully completed its first flight on 5 March 2019 at Yuma Proving Ground, Arizona. The XQ-58 is designed to act as a loyal wingman that is controlled by a parent aircraft to accomplish tasks such as scouting, defensive fire, or absorbing enemy fire if attacked.
This sortie officially enables the ability to develop AIML agents that will execute modern air-to-air and air-to-surface skills that are immediately transferable to the CCA program. The algorithms were developed by AFRL's Autonomous Air Combat Operations team. The algorithms matured during millions of hours in high-fidelity simulation events, sorties on the X-62 Vista, hardware-in-the-loop events with the XQ-58A, and ground test operations, as depicted in the video at the link below. AACO has taken a multi-pronged approach to uncrewed flight testing of machine learning artificial intelligence and has met operational experimentation objectives by using a combination of high-performance computing, modeling and simulation, and hardware-in-the-loop testing to train an AI agent to safely fly the XQ-58 uncrewed aircraft, said AACO Program Manager, Dr. Terry Wilson.
It can perform standard takeoffs and landings, or be launched from nondescript launch modules, including support ships, shipping containers, and semi-trailer trucks. The XQ-58 is engineered to serve as a dependable wingman under the control of a parent aircraft, fulfilling roles like reconnaissance, defensive engagement, or diverting enemy fire. It can also function within a drone swarm, either with or without direct pilot supervision. Valkyrie utilizes readily available commercial off-the-shelf or COTS components. It employs either manual or pre-programmed flight control systems, guaranteeing exceptional maneuverability throughout its missions. The U.S. Marine Corps has initiated operations with its XQ-58A Valkyrie drones, marking the second known operator of this type after the U.S. Air Force. The Marines' objective is to assess the drone's capabilities as extensively autonomous surveillance and reconnaissance tools, electronic warfare platforms, and as complementary assets to manned fighter aircraft, including in combat roles.